na good people, na well done. We thank Baba God. May Baba God allow us see another day like this. Today, I want to thank una may listen to the previous episode. Another episode don't see drop today. So what we going to talk about and the security situation. One of the things we're going to talk about and the security for Benin City. This one is situation. This episode, we go see something advise people when be say they enter public bus. As when they enter, you go dey careful. People when they go party, they go to change money. People when they go club, they go to change money. They go dey careful. But this time, I go really they talk about the ones when they go party, go to change money. But make una dey careful. Make una dey watchful. And I want me for the comment section. Make una see drop una advice for them. The one I'm going to talk about now, this public motor, so make we dey enter. So they enter, they try to dey observant to a good. The story when I hear when sup for Benin, na one bus, the bus they from Ugbowo, they go Tesame Road. So now, as the bus they go, just the waka they go, come see one man. The man come stop him. As the man stop him, then the man enter. The man say they go Tesame Road. So he tell the man amount. The man enter. He enter. So as the driver they go, the driver come change mind. Come tell am say, Oga, me no fit go Tesame Road again. Oh, I want face my eye go Ring Road. And Ring Road me won't go to now. I want to go Tesame Road again. Then the man say, okay, no wahala. You stop me for Tesame Road junction. Now they agree. As they agree, he reach the junction, he stop the man. As he stop the man, my Tori people, he dey go. To do of now, me really no be well. As he stop man, the man pay him money, he dey go. As he dey go, if you know 5 junction, you go know say police checkpoint dey sabi dey there, and the police stop them all. As police stop the driver, you know as our police they do that day, they stop and search. They come talk say many boy come down. The boys when they want to come down, they come search them. As they search them, then one of the police go one bag beside the motor. As they see the bag, now they say make they search that bag. As they search and they see money inside the bag, 500,000. They come ask who get money. People when the motor say no be them. Then driver say, now one man may come down just now for Tesame Road, though. Now forget motor. Now forget the money. Then police detain the motor, carry the driver, go station and the money. They can't detain the motor for some time. The driver can't see pay the motor. So now, Tori people can't hear the matter. They can't go meet police. Can't say, Oga police them how far money. Then police say they no go give us that money. Say because they won't know who get the money. Make the man bring evidence of where for go collect the money. Because the FIB say na kidnap money when they pay ransom. So he may bring evidence. They don't open our eye. May bring evidence. Say if not, if you not bring evidence, they not go release that money. And Tori people today, what is your opinion? The police wrong or the police right? If me want judge this matter, go say na good thing police do for them. Because with the kidnapping rates when there is our country, so na good thing. If really that man may get the money, if na withdraw the money, you go get evidence. Bank go send you alert. Email alert a day, SMS alert a day. You go fit bring evidence. Who you go collect the money from? You go see if na cash, you go collect. You go bring evidence of why they collect the money. So evidence must dey. Money no dey fall from up. That one another thing. Make I say. Make una dey observe as una dey enter public motor. Another one again, I see the city of Benin still happen. Now those money changers, or those people when they change money for party. This one so now it happen for GRA for Benin City. People when carry 2 girls when they change when they come party when they invite them for. They can change money. As they reach the party now they normal. Now you go enter. Before then, people say they see 2 guys for the entrance of the party ground. Normal. They dress, they wear mufti, carry gun. Now everybody fit say na police. Now this matter we dey talk say, this matter they make us dey talk say, the police no dey wear mufti. As the people dey there, they wear mufti, carry gun. Everybody fit say they be police officers. They no know say they no be police, so na robbery they can't do. As the women they come enter the place, then they envelop them, carry their money. Then they run, go inside the hall, say no kuna come the door boss. But before they come out, people don't come out. But Tori people, wetin I dey see today, wetin I dey hear. So now everybody dey careful. everybody dey watchful. Una make dey change money, make una try another method wey una go dey use to dey carry una money enter the venue. Baba people na full outside o. People dey take advantage of say economy bad. Food no dey, money no dey, take dey do bad thing o. So my tori people, this one another tori wey I bring up for una today o. The tori na make everybody dey careful, everybody dey watchful, make everybody dey observant. Even if e no mean say na say you go be money changer, e no mean say when you dey enter bus, for your place of work, for your place of business, when you for dey see your daily 2k, when you for dey see your daily chop, dey watchful, dey observant, dey careful. This one I say make I come tell una today o. My tori people, una do.